Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Steelseries Arctis Nova 7P with your PC. And to do this, first let's take a look on the dongle that this headset comes with, and also we need the cable that also comes with this headset. And now we need to connect this dongle with that cable. And the other end is USB that we want to connect with our PC. Also, I would strongly recommend to place this cable as close to your headset as possible all the time. It will give you the best performance from this headset. Now I'm gonna plug it into my PC. Now that it's powered on, we can move to the software, and I also recommend to download it. It's called Steelseries GG, and right here you'll be able to find your headset and also customize its many different settings. And one last thing, restart your PC after connecting it and everything should be ready to go. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.